Stop making eggs the same boring way every day. With just eggs and avocado, you can turn this into something creamy, fresh, and surprisingly delicious. Hi friends, I'm Tracy. Today, I'll show you how to combine these two ingredients into a flavorful, creamy appetizer with a variety of tastes, perfect for breakfast or a light gathering while still being nutritious and satisfying. Let's get started first. Prepare about 6 eggs and gently place them into a pot. Pour in enough water to completely cover the eggs. Then, cook over medium heat. When the water begins to boil, cook the eggs for about 10 minutes to ensure the whites are firm and the yolks are fully cooked. You know, eggs are not only affordable and easy to prepare, but they are also rich in high-quality protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins such as B12 and vitamin D. They help keep you full longer and provide steady energy, especially in the morning. That's why I always choose eggs as an appetizer for my family gatherings. Now cover the pot again and continue cooking for the full amount of time. While the eggs are cooking, you can prepare the avocado. I use 1 medium-sized avocado for this recipe. If your avocados are smaller, you can use 2 to 3. Choose an avocado that feels slightly soft when gently pressed. Cut the avocado in half. Remove the pit and carefully peel off the skin. Then cut the flesh into small pieces. Avocado is rich in heart-healthy fats, fiber, potassium, and vitamins such as E and K, which help support heart health, digestion, and maintain steady energy levels. Its natural creaminess also makes it a perfect ingredient for spreads and fillings. After cutting, place everything into a bowl. Next, take 1 lemon, cut it in half, and squeeze the juice from 1/2 directly into the bowl of avocado. The lemon juice not only adds a fresh flavor, but also helps prevent the avocado from browning too quickly. Use a fork to gently mash the avocado until it becomes smooth, creamy, and evenly combined with the lemon flavor. After the avocado mixture is smooth and evenly combined, set it aside. Now, to add more variety of flavor to your appetizer, you can prepare a few additional ingredients such as bell pepper, green onions, or sweet corn. Start with 1 bell pepper. Cut it in half. Remove the seeds and the white inner membrane. Then cut it into small, even pieces. Bell pepper adds a mild sweetness and a pleasant crunch that pairs beautifully with the creaminess of the avocado. Next, move on to the green onions. Trim off the roots and finely chop them. Green onions bring a light, fresh aroma and a gentle sharpness that helps balance the richness of the avocado and eggs. For the sweet corn, remove the kernels from the cob. Boil for about 15 minutes until tender. Then drain and let cool. Once cooled, finely chop the corn. The natural sweetness and soft texture of the corn make the appetizer even more appealing. Then place each ingredient into separate bowls. Now that all the fresh ingredients are prepared, let's return to the pot of eggs. Once the eggs have cooked for the full amount of time, carefully remove them from the hot water and place them into a bowl of cold water to immediately stop the cooking process and prevent the yolks from drying out. Let the eggs sit in the cold water for a few minutes until they have cooled enough. When the eggs have cooled slightly, gently tap each egg on the countertop and peel off the shell. Try to peel them carefully so the egg whites remain smooth and intact. Next, cut each egg in half lengthwise. Carefully separate the yolks from the whites and place the yolks into a bowl. Set the egg whites aside for later use. Use a fork to mash the yolks until smooth. Now add the mashed egg yolks into the bowl of previously mashed avocado. Sprinkle in a little salt and a bit of black pepper to enhance the flavor. Gently mix all the ingredients together until the mixture becomes smooth, creamy, and well combined. At this point, the rich egg yolks blend beautifully with the avocado, creating a soft and flavorful filling. Just looking at it is already tempting. Now that everything is ready, it's time to bring all the flavors together. Take the avocado and egg mixture and divide it evenly into 3 portions. Spoon each portion into the bowls of prepared ingredients. 1 bowl with bell pepper, 1 bowl with green onions, and 1 bowl with sweet corn. Start with the bell pepper bowl. Gently mix the avocado and egg mixture into the chopped bell pepper, stirring until everything is well combined. You'll see how the bright red pieces add extra color and a light crunch. Next, mix the second portion with the chopped green onions. Stir gently so the mild tang of the green onions blends into the rich avocado and egg mixture. Finally, combine the remaining portion with the sweet corn. Mix well until the corn kernels are evenly distributed throughout the creamy mixture. The natural sweetness of the corn creates a gentle and pleasant contrast. And just like that, you now have 3 delicious and beautiful avocado egg spreads with 3 different flavorful toppings. Next, use a spoon to carefully scoop each portion of the avocado and egg mixture into the hollow center of the egg whites. You can gently press the filling down so it sits neatly and looks full and appealing. Then arrange them on a plate. As you arrange the ingredients, you will notice how visually attractive they look. The bright red bell pepper adds a cheerful pop of color, the green onions bring a fresh touch, and the sweet corn creates a soft golden contrast. Together, they make the plate look vibrant and inviting. Take a bite, and you will taste the smooth richness of the avocado blending with the egg yolk, balanced by the light crunch of vegetables and the natural sweetness of the corn. The flavor is light yet satisfying, fresh yet comforting. This appetizer is elegant enough to serve to guests, yet simple enough to enjoy anytime. Serve immediately and enjoy every creamy, flavorful bite. And that's a simple avocado and egg appetizer that's full of flavor and nutrition, visually appealing, fragrant, and perfect for breakfast or a light gathering. I hope this recipe brings something fresh and nourishing to your table. Let me know in the comments which topping you like the most. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy cooking ideas. See you next time.